Hey everyone, welcome back. Alright, so I'm just getting on now. Like usual, I can't get on when the market opens. So it's 10:10 now. I was looking at the top gappers for today, pre-market, and there was KODK. It's at like 20 something dollars right now. It's too expensive for me. Yeah, it's way up there. Then there's SNOA, which is kind of on anything over $10 is not really worth me trading because my account's not big enough. Let's see what else there is. ONDK, it's up 50%. So I might keep my eye on this. I have let's just call it $400. Settle cash. So I changed my layout. Put my chart over on the left. This way the price of the stock right now as it's moving, it's over on the right side. So I can see that close with the level 2. Just makes it a little easier. Then for my time in sales, my position, my working orders, and then my trade tab is all the way to the right. So I'm going to try this layout and see how this works. I wish I had room for another chart, but I just need to get another screen. So I'm going to definitely keep my eye on this. I mean, I could use my phone with the 1 minute up on there because I do have the Webull app on my phone. So let's see, at $1.30. Let me just see, I could probably get around 300 shares. So for every 1 cent up with 300 shares, that's a $3 gain. So I'd be willing to lose, say I got in around $1.30, around 7 cents would be my stop loss. So if I got in at $1.30, my stop loss would be $1.23, which would be way down here. And then this has potential to go, it's already hit $1.39, and pre-market high is $1.33. See what it has for news. Something to do with the investigation. I don't know how that makes the price go up, but I guess it does. Overall, it's just moving sideways. Here's the 200 moving average. Seem to be using that as support. So even if it comes back down there and bounces off, $1.26. I'd like to see this move up though. Alright, I'm gonna pause and come back. when I either find this a little more interesting or if I find something else. Alright, so I'm looking at this SNOA. It's kind of on the pricier side, but if I can get it at 1170, that's where the 200 moving average is. So I might put a limit order down there. 1170 or 1190. 1170 looks like a good area to bounce off of on the level 2. 65.87. A lot of people want to buy down there. $12.45. It's not even. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with this. Let me go back to this. Not really liking how this 8 moving average is starting to drop down like that. Man, but this KODK, Kodak, it's halted at $30.81 right now. And there it goes. 32, 31. Over here, 33. Man, this thing's ripping. 36. Oh my god. Some people are making a killing on this move. Look at just eating. Oh no, so a lot of people trying to buy 36.07. Way too expensive for me. But this was a continuation from yesterday. It's just been going up. Ever since the news came out, I think it was trading at $2. $2 to $36 in 2 days. Because they got some kind of contract from the government for like a couple $100 million for pharmaceutical for drug testing, I guess, or to come out with some kind of drug, maybe for COVID. I'm not too sure. But if you had shares at $2, alright, I'm not gonna focus on this. I want to focus on, let's see what else there is. TK8T. This says 12,000 shares of volume. This doesn't. I would never. Let me get off that. HTBX. That has a lot of volume. It's in my price range, 235. But look, it's just in a continuing downtrend. So I can't go long on something that's overall selling off. I'm only going to go long on something that's overall moving up. $0.26. It's kind of really cheap. So even this, I mean, it's all about position size. 1,500 shares I can get for $400. If this was to move up 1 cent from 26 to 27, that's $15 for a 1 cent move. So if you got in down here at 25.70 and sold at its peak right now, at 1,500 shares, that's a $30 move right there. That'd be a good trade. $26.50. Alright, well, I'm going to pause and I'll be back. Now I'm back on ONDK. I'm just going to keep my eye on this. I like to get in right here at $1.31. Actually, $1.32. So I'm going to put a limit order in at $1.32. See if I can get picked up. Looks like a good area of support. I have an order for 300 shares. It's basically right at the VWAP. And I could afford to lose about 7 cents. So I got filled a partial fill of 5 shares. I don't know what that's all about. Okay, I'm filled now. I'm in at 300 shares at $1.32. So I'm gonna set my mental stop at $1.27. And if I can get a 2 cent move on this, that would be $6. 33. So I'll sell market. Hopefully it bounces off the VWAP. See what the 5 minutes looking like. This could open, well, this 5 minutes just opened, but this can open as a green candle the next 5 minute. This is curling up, the 8 moving average. So I'm in at $1.32. $1.36 seems like an area of resistance too, way up here. So if I can get a $6 gain, then I'll take it, a 2 cent move. Has 15 million shares of volume. So here's the next candle opening. Man, we're getting all this indecision. I mean, profit's profit. Well, we need some movement. Man, look at this. All these candles are all doji candles. I might hop out of this. I mean, it's gonna be... Come on. Push up. I've never traded with candles like this before. I'd like to see $1.36. If it gets up there, that's 3 cents. That's $9. Sorry if I sound stuffy. I have allergies basically all year long. It sucks. There's a lot going on in between. All the white is any order executed in between the bid and the ask. So it's like $1, anything between $1.32 and $1.33. I might have to get out of this if this doesn't do anything. It's gonna be a crappy video because I'm already 20 minutes in. Let's see what the next 5-minute candle's looking like. I think I picked a bad stock to trade today. I mean, this is just kind of ridiculous. Look at this. $1.32.96 exactly. Of course, just my luck. I wouldn't think that a stock with 15 million shares of volume would trade like this. If I can just start fresh tomorrow and not lose any money today. I mean, I could try to catch this 1 cent move. It'd be $3. But I'd have to hit it perfect. Because it stays at $1.33 for like a second. Then I have lag on the fill. Let's give it a little longer. Wish I can do more than one trade, but I'm using all my funds for one trade. Well, everything's settled. I had $400. It's cost me $396. I had 400 and change. Man, this is going to be a waste of a video. Well, I apologize now. Really wish I could get in when the market opens. But I just can't. I would need more time to concentrate. $1.30. Come on, push up. When this goes to $1.33, I'm just going to sell it. Or try to get out right at $1.33. Nope. Didn't make it. Because I can't sit here for an hour and just do this. Well, let's see what I made on it. $1.45 today. Profit. I knew I wasn't going to hit it right there. What a waste. Oh my god. $1.32.5. It's aggravating. Well, I have $23 left in sale cash. So see if I get a trade in, even one share or something. So I'm going to pause and I'll come back. I just want to come back to this KODK because this thing is just crazy. This opened today This opened today at $18.48. Actually, $18 and change. This thing right now ripped all the way up to almost 60 bucks. And it's halted again, going down. 10:39. So it just halted a minute ago. You can see over here it says suspension. 10:39. I mean, people who are holding right now, they might be screwed, because you don't want to get stuck in a halt going down like this. Oh my god. 59 to 53. Alright, I'll be back. I'm going to pause. CVEO, if I can get in this at $1, then I'm going to try to hop in 20 shares, because I have $23 left and I can't buy anything under $1. So I'm in this at $1.02, and it is moving up. I just saw it on the so 20 shares, every 1 cent up would be a $20 gain. So I can afford. I probably set my mental stop somewhere down here. 83 cents. Hoping it bounces off this 5MA. I'm sorry, the 8MA. $1.10. I don't even know why I even got in this. 20 shares. This is usually what happens. You get in, then it flushes down. Yeah. Yeah, look, I bought in basically where the area support is. No, I'm not going to take a big hit on this. I'm going to get out of this. I rushed into this trade just because I saw it on the 1 day gainer that it was up 82%. But I just wanted to rush in to have another trade, and I just hopped in this blindly. So now I'm 17 cents up for the day. So I'm basically break even. So this is a wasted video. I'm not even sure if I'm even going to upload this or not. I don't know what made me hop in that. Alright, with a $400, no, with, how much did I have? 200 something dollars worth of spending power? Or 400 something? I ended up making 17 cents today. Just want to see what this is doing now. So in 2 minutes, this thing dropped down about $13. And it's suspended again going down. So this thing could flush down easily to 41. I mean, people who are just holding up here, going long with a lot of shares, they're being forced out now. And if this is shortable, which I'm sure it is, now here's where all the shorts come in. Because this thing just was, that's crazy. Alright, well, that's it for this video. I should have more funds available tomorrow, so hopefully I can make something better. But at least I didn't lose any money today. I basically break even. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next one.